Hey, what's up people? This is Samrina from Logging Giants. So for today's video, I'm showing you guys how to find blocked people in Instagram account or maybe how to unblock your people in your Instagram account. So I'll be showing you two ways that you can do it. For that, you should open your Instagram account. So the first way being this one. Go to the search bar here and type the particular account that you have blocked and want to unblock. After doing so, press this three dot icon on the top right corner and then unblock them. So people, this is the first one. So for the second method, you will go to their profile section and click this three bar right here and go to settings because as we all know, it all starts with settings. Then we will go to this privacy option in the third menu. And under connections, you will see this blocked accounts option. Press that. As you can see, this particular account that I have blocked, and if I want to unblock them, I will press unblock account right here. It will ask for confirmation. I will confirm saying unblock them, and that account is no longer blocked. So that is all people, and follow our page for more contents. We will see you in our next upload.